Understanding the phrase, rusted out. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the phrase, rusted out. It's a unique expression, and by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in various contexts. Rusted. When we talk about something being rusted, we're usually referring to metal corroding over time, especially due to exposure to moisture. It results in a reddish-brown color on the metal's surface. Out. This term often signifies something being completely consumed or used up. So, when combined, rusted out implies that something has deteriorated or worn out to the point that it's no longer functional or usable. 1. Vehicles and machines. I can't believe he's still driving that old car. It's completely rusted out. 2. In this example, the car has deteriorated to such an extent due to rust that it's surprising it still functions. 3. Abandoned buildings or infrastructure. The old factory in our town has rusted out, and no one uses it anymore. 4. Here, the factory has deteriorated over time, likely with noticeable rust and decay, making it unsuitable for use. 5. Metaphorical usage. After years of neglect, his skills had rusted out. 6. In this metaphorical use, someone's skills or abilities have deteriorated or become outdated over time. While rusted out typically refers to physical decay, especially in metal, it's not always about actual rust. As shown in our metaphorical example above, it can be used in broader contexts to describe anything that has deteriorated or become obsolete. Thanks for joining us in exploring the phrase, rusted out. We hope this breakdown has clarified its meaning for you. Remember, English is full of colorful phrases that add depth and richness to our conversations. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.